morning, Weber's class.
Good morning.
8.2 dividing decimals, can you?
Yeah.
All right, so what does divide mean, everybody? What is the answer to a division problem?
Quotient.
And a division problem has two parts. It has a divisor and it has a dividend, right?
Yes.
What does the splitting? The divisor does the splitting?
Yes.
What does get split? What gets split?
Dividend.
And this is a picture of where they all go, right?
Yes.
You guys probably are pretty good at that. Okay, quick question here. We have 18 and 60 hundredths, and we're dividing it into 4 parts, right?
Yes.
About. So we know the answer is 4.65 because that's what it says, right? But before we solve this problem, about how many times do you guys think 4 goes into 18? 4, a little bit more than 4, right?
Yeah.
So before you even solve this problem, in your brain you have an estimate about what it should be, yes? Okay, cool. Now we're going to get into like the point of this lesson. Can you divide with a decimal in the divisor?
No.
So if the decimal's in the divisor, we need to actually turn it into a, and we turn it into a whole number by multiplying by a power of 10. So if we're going to move this one place to the right to make 0.3 a whole number like 3, what am I multiplying it by?
10.
By a power of 10, right?
Yeah.
So it's 10, because that just means move the decimal 1 point to the right because 10 has 1 0 in it, right?
Yeah.
If we do that to the divisor, we also have to do it to the,
Dividend.
so the dividend gets moved 1 point to the, or 1 place to the right too, right?
Yes.
So now we have a new problem, which is 36 divided by 3, right?
Yes.
And whatever we get for an answer, so we got 12, would also be 12 for that problem, yes?
Yes.
How many places did I move the decimal point on this one? Twice. So that's by the same as multiplying by,
100.
still a power of 10, but it's 10 to the power of 2. So 2 places to the right, yes? Can you, do you have to move the decimal point even if it's a whole number in the dividend?
Yes.
So if we move it 2 places to the right here, we still need to move it 2 places to the right here and fill in with our what? Zeros. Last question. Can you have a decimal in the dividend?
Yes.
Say again?
Yes.
You can have a decimal in the dividend, right? We've been doing that all year. You just can't have a decimal in the divisor. We cool with this?